In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Chrome apps. If you're looking to declutter your browser or simply remove an app that you no longer use, this easy guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in, and I'll show you exactly how to manage your Chrome apps effectively. First, we're going to start by navigating to your Chrome apps. To do this, open your Google Chrome browser and type Chrome/apps into the address bar at the top of the window. Once you've done that, press Enter. This will direct you to a page where all your installed Chrome apps are displayed. As you see your collection of apps laid out, identify the one that you no longer need or want. Now, you might be wondering, how do I remove it? Well, it's straightforward. Right-click on the app icon that you wish to delete. This action will trigger a context menu to appear right next to the icon. In this menu, you'll typically find an option that says Remove from Chrome, or sometimes just Uninstall. Click on this option. Selecting it will signal to Chrome that you're ready to proceed with the removal of the app. At this stage, Chrome may prompt you with a confirmation message. It's a simple safeguard to ensure that important apps aren't removed unintentionally. The browser wants to double-check that you really intend to delete the app. If you're sure about removing it, go ahead and click on the appropriate button to confirm this action. And there you have it. The app is now uninstalled from your Chrome browser. This process helps to keep your browser streamlined and avoids unnecessary clutter, which can contribute to a smoother, more efficient browsing experience. Remember, managing your Chrome apps isn't just about removing them. It's also about taking control of your browser environment and ensuring that your digital tools remain organized and relevant to your current needs. If there are additional apps you wish to remove, simply repeat these steps. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you're now more confident in navigating your browser settings. Keeping a tidy Chrome space can definitely enhance your workflow and minimize distractions. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more useful tips and tutorials. Have an amazing day, and I hope to see you in the next video where we delve into more ways to optimize your digital experience.